maintained by the browsers. It is handled on the string objects. If it is a non-string object, then we are not possible to handle the cookies. Per browser, the cookies size is the limited size. So there are all the some problems are there into the cookies. To overcome this, we should go with session framework. So now the concept is session management by using the session API. Django session framework. Sir, generally at the time of cookies, I'm given one example. That example is RMP doctor example. Doctor and patient. Patient is the client, doctor is the server. Whenever patient came to the doctor, doctor is the server means he will create one slip and given to the patient. Whenever patient come to the again second time, compulsory he can come with the slip only. Then only doctor can recognize. So server will create cookies given to the client. Client is responsible to maintain those things. But what about session management? For the session framework, the best example is I have to take with bank locker. Sir, in the bank locker, what is the process? Suppose you are going to a bank, open a locker. You have to save all your documents or some gold or valuable documents, something you have to store into the locker. So who is responsible to maintain all your data safe? Banker is the responsible. They will give one key for you. Only one key they are provided for you. Whenever you can go to the bank, if you want to open the locker, just you have to go through with your locker key only. You won't do anything. Everything will be taken care by the bank employees only. Just they have to given one key. Whenever go to the bank, you can produce your key. Banker having one more key, open the locker. Suppose generally you want to go to the temples. In the temple, there is a chapel stand or mobile available there. Once you give your mobile or chapel, you have to hand over to their cloakroom. They have to given one token for you. They will take care about all belongings. Once after your darshan completed, you can given your card. They will give your mobile and all the things. One more best example is for if you go to the super specialty hospital, not a RMP doctor. If you go to super specialty hospital, first time if you are going to there, the doctor will create one profile for you. In that, just you have one mobile number, your ID, no. Whenever second time you can go to the hospital, how to just tell your mobile number, your total data will be displayed. Or else your patient ID. By using that patient ID also you have to provide it. So all patients details available, doctor side or patient side? Doctor only. Suppose your file, they have to give some file only, hard copy. It was gone, no problem. Just you have to tell your mobile number, they have to tell all your details. So at the time of session management, server will generate one key. Server is generating the key. This key will be given to the client. Whenever client sending any request, just you have to give the key. That is enough. Server knows everything. You don't want to bother about informations and all the things security. Everything will be taken care by server side. So previously, if you want to set the cookie, we have to method is there set underscore cookie name and value provided there. Same here also. I want to provide that session management by using the server client. Server is generating session ID that is called as. That ID can be given to the client. Whenever you can provide it, send your key. Then server will maintain all the information. So whatever methods are available there in this session management. First one, How to add one session? How to add data to session? Request dot session of key provided value. Ante one dictionary you have to add the data. How to add? Request dot session of key. Session is the dictionary. Inside I can provide that key value. Data will be added. How to get the data from the session? If dictionary is there, how to get the data? Request dot session of key stored into variable. Sir, what is the line number 9 and line number 12? Line number 9 is I'm assigning a value to the key to the dictionary. This one I'm taking key provided to one variable. Third one. Request dot session dot set underscore expiry seconds. We have to set expiry time for the session. And previously, once browser closes, it will be gone. But session you have to give the time. Until that much time, it is available. Expiry time in the form of seconds you can provide. Fourth one, request dot session dot get underscore expiry. Get underscore expiry underscore age. And when your session will be expired, it will be displayed. And we don't know. By default, some time it will be provided. If you want to give your own time, you can give return expiry age in seconds. The number of seconds until this session expires. Our time will be displayed. Seconds of the date and time I can require. Which date my session expired? Request dot session dot get underscore expiry underscore date. Now it will be displayed when your session is expired. Returns the date which session will be expired. EV 5 methods. Now I will write the example program. నేను రాయట్లేదు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదా So now I have to do one small application. In the cookies, first application is page count. How many requests we are forwarded that I can provided in the cookies. But once browser closes, your cookies will be gone. Not available there. How many requests we are sending page count application. Now I have to do the project name is session project 5. Last one 4 kada, ఇది fifth one. Last one 4 ena. So now see this. Create the project. Django 28th August. Django-admin. Start project. Session project 5. CD. Session project 5. PY. Manage.py. Start app. Test app. The project is ready. Application is ready. తర్వాత add application in settings.py. Next, make migrations and migrate. What is the reason to create the session related tables? So go to the atom. So session framework already built in app is there in your settings. ఇది 4, now 5. Open settings. Installed apps lo you have to add test app. ఇదిగోండి session can be maintained by this one application. Here session middleware is there. So tables are required compulsory. That's why even the model class is there. Py manage.py make migrations. No changes detected. Migrate. The tables will be created. Session table. Without this, if there is no table, then not possible to maintain the data. So 4 are completed there. Now, I want to provide it. View is the responsible to count the request. How many requests are there? Take one views.py file. Close this all. Test app views. Now, def is the function page count view. The first argument is request. Print. ఇది your understandable purpose. Request dot cookies. అసలు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా లేవా? By default not available, only CSRF token is available there. Now request dot session dot get off. The variable is count. I can provide at 0. Now stored into variable count. So request dot session of get count. If this variable key is available there, I will get the value. Otherwise, what is the count value? 0 default value. Increment that. Count plus equal to 1. Initialize this one to the dictionary. How to initialize? Request dot session key. What is our key? Count. Give the value. So request dot session of key your wish. What is our key? Count. Where is the value? Count only. So initialized. Once it initialized, return that value. Return function render first argument request test app slash page count dot html. count, colon, what is the variable? Count. So first I am asking session dot get up count, that is empty, no values, 0 is coming. I incremented request dot session up count and I'm passing the value. Okay, page count dot html page is required. Right click, new folder, templates. Inside right click, folder, step. Inside right click, one HTML file, page count. Now go to the settings. Create one variable template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. This template dir you can provide it with where templates low. Okay, fine. Now come to here. Take HTML code body low. Take h1 tag. The page count. Span tag. Curling brace. What is the variable? Count. Here I want to provide style tag. Inside I want to provide span, font size. $200 I can provide it. Save this. దీనికి ఒక URL కావాలి. Page count. Views dot. What is our view name? Page count view. Start the server. Py manage.py. Run server. ఎర్రర్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయలే, అదే ఎర్రర్, అందుకే ఎర్రర్ కొట్టింది. ఫ్రమ్ టెస్ట్ ఇంపోర్ట్ వ్యూస్. If you did any mistake, server will tell immediately the name error view is not defined. Sir, copy this. అదిగోండి డబ్ల్యూ రిక్వెస్ట్ సెషన్ అబ్బో. ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎస్ పడింది అనుకుంటా వ్యూస్లో. యా ఎస్ పడింది, అది ఎర్రర్. ఇంకో ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది, అన్బౌండ్ లోకల్ ఎర్రర్ ఎట్ కౌంట్ వేరియబుల్ యాడ్ డిక్లేర్ చేసాం. కౌంట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా క్రియేట్ అయిందా? ఇది ఇక్కడ పోయింది. రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ సెషన్ డాట్ కౌంట్ అనేబుల్ టు కౌంట్ రిఫరెన్స్డ్ బిఫోర్ అసైన్మెంట్. ఎక్కడ చేసామేంటి? యా డిక్షనరీ కదా, హౌ టు రీడ్ ద కీ వాల్యూ, అది మిస్టేక్. నౌ రీఫ్రెష్. పేజ్ కౌంట్ 1. నౌ 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Same thing, go to Firefox. If I given this, what is the value? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now I am closing the browser. Now again I open new one. Is it continued or one? I am closing the browser. I open the new browser. Vivek 1. 1 continue. It will be continued the request. గో టు బ్యాక్ ఎండ్, ఇదిగోండి. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఐ ప్రింటింగ్ నా, ఇదిగోండి. ఎవ్రీ సెషన్ కి వన్ ఐడి విల్ బి జనరేటెడ్, ఇదిగోండి. ఇది ఫైర్ ఫాక్స్ ఐడి. ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ద క్రోమ్, క్రోమ్ కి డిఫరెంట్ ఐడి విల్ బి దేర్. ఇదిగోండి, దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్రోమ్ ఐడి. వన్ సెషన్ ఐడి విల్ బి క్రియేటెడ్, ఇదిగోండి. J08N అంట, ఇదిగో. LLQI ఫైర్ ఫాక్స్ ఐడి. ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు దిస్, ద ఐడి షుడ్ బి సేమ్, ఇదిగోండి. 89. ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు హియర్, దీనికి ఒక ఐడి విల్ బి జనరేటెడ్ బై దేర్, ఇదిగో. LLQI is the ID. So by using that IDs, it will be recognized. అయితే మరి how much time it is available? If I close the browser, if I closes, open this, send the request, it will be continued. How much time it is available? ఎంతసేపు ఉంటుంది? How much time? How much time this session will be managed by Django? Good question. Intelligent boy is telling, stop the server. I am running the server now. Refresh 121. స్టాప్ చేసే సర్వర్ని మళ్ళీ రీస్టార్ట్ చేసా ఇప్పుడు. కంటిన్యూడ్. సో హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ మీన్స్ we don't know. We need to ask Django. Django will tell. Just now I'm given commands. What is the command? Request dot session dot. What is the method? Expiry age. Then it will tell, observe carefully. In the server now restarted, if I continue 27th, will be displayed. ఇంత టైం ఉంటుంది. 12,09,600 seconds ఉంటుంది అది. అప్పటి వరకు పనిచేస్తుంది. యూ కెన్ షట్ డౌన్ సిస్టమ్. టుమారో యూ కెన్ ఓపెన్, రన్ దిస్ ఎవ్రీ. సో అట్లా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ కాబట్టి ఎందుకు సింపుల్గా ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ వెన్ డేట్, దెన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా చెప్తుంది అదే. మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్లు తీసుకెళ్ళి కొట్టవసరం లేదు. సింపుల్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ డేట్, దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ టెల్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్పైర్డ్. ఇంకోండి, ఎప్పుడు ఎక్స్పైర్ అయ్యిద్ది? 21/10/2024 అంటే October 21st వరకు ఉంటుంది. 3 రోజులు ఏంటి, వాళ్ళు 7 కదా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ దోస్ మెనీ. ఇదిగోండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇట్ విల్ బి రీఫ్రెష్డ్, విల్ బి కంటిన్యూడ్ ఓన్లీ. ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ ఓన్లీ. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డేట్. అలా వద్దు నాకు, ఐ వాంట్ టు సెట్ ఎక్స్పైరీ టైం పర్టిక్యులర్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్? రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ సెషన్ డాట్ set underscore expiry. I want to give 120 seconds. Now see the difference. Now, even I am closing all the browsers. Again, I opened the browser, pasted. Oh, browser address. Copy, come to browser, paste it. 35, 36, 37. అంటే 2 seconds it is available there. 120 seconds ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు టైం ఎంత? 8:04. అంటే 8:06 వరకు ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ దేర్. ఈవెన్ దో, ఇదిగోండి, యూ కెన్ క్లోజ్ ద బ్రౌజర్, యూ కెన్ క్లోజ్ ద బ్రౌజర్, షట్ డౌన్ ద సిస్టమ్, స్టాప్ ద సర్వర్, రీస్టార్ట్ ద సిస్టమ్. ఏది 20? చెప్పలేము. రన్ చేసినప్పుడు అది తీసుకుంటే డిఫాల్ట్గా నీ సిస్టమ్ ఒక డేట్ రావచ్చు, నా దానిలో ఒక డేట్. ప్రోగ్రామ్ మారుతుంది. డిఫాల్ట్ డేట్ కదా, ఇప్పుడు 7 కదా, 10 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 20 తీసుకోవచ్చు, లేదంటే 3 months తర్వాత. అది డిఫాల్ట్ సెట్ చేస్తుంది. అందుకనే ఐ వాంట్ గివ్ మై ఓన్ అనమాట. అది మనం చెప్పలేము ఎలా తీసుకుంటుంది అండి డేట్. మిషన్ టు మిషన్, ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేంజెస్. సరే 8 to 5 ఇంకా పోలేదు. పోయిందా? పోలా. మళ్ళీ రిఫ్రెష్ చేసిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఇట్ విల్ వెయిటింగ్ 2 minutes. సో అందుకనే వెన్ ఎవర్ రిఫ్రెష్ 2 minutes ఇట్ ఈస్ వెయిటింగ్. సో మీన్ వైల్ నే హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ కోడ్. ఈలోపు 2 నిమిషాలు అయిపోద్ది. దెన్ వీ కెన్ రిఫ్రెష్ ఇట్. సార్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అంట. సార్ నౌ 8:06. నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ రిఫ్రెష్ it is continued. Come to browser. If I want to set this, again it is 36 only. That is 40, 43. Sorry, first write down this, then 2 minutes it will complete it, then we will refresh. Particular, it will take only seconds only. Date it not accepted, only seconds. Expiry age we are not setting. How many days? 3 days or 3 months, so you have to give only seconds only. So now 2 seconds completed అనుకుంటా maximum. Wow. It's not going. Then again it is waiting 2 minutes. 122 minutes కదా, it's already completed. So in this page count, HTML page, in this one, only one line body. For this view, one URL. So that is the simple way of just the same. Previously I'm using cookies, now session. Session count variable and incrementing get command. In that I'm using request just cookies dot get here session. In that client side maintain information, here server side. More secured. Now 2 minutes are over. If you refresh, one came. Here also refresh, first request. So until that time, whatever time we are provided, sir, now URLs, views. I have to go ahead at 11 seconds. Now refresh, 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 refresh. 11 seconds ante 11 seconds it is waiting ante. So after 11 sessions, even though browser is there, you are not closing. Sorry, boss, one. One, still browser. But in case of cookies, once browser closes, data will be gone here. Based on your time, it is available there. If you are not provided any expiry, by default it is taken. We don't know how much time it is taken. Depends upon, by default it is provided some time period. Now anyone tell, if I provided here the time 11 seconds, I'm given 11 seconds, 120. I'm given 0. Then 0 seconds I'm provided. If I'm given 2, okay, observe carefully. Open this, refresh, 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 refresh. 2 seconds over. Completed. Now come to here. Refresh, 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 refresh. Wait. 1, 2. Completed. 1. I'm given 0. What will happen? Always 1. It should be. What is there? Now I am refreshing. Then it will come with 1. Edi. But if I'm given, if I'm given 0, is going I'm given, continue. I'm given 0 time. I'm not given time. 0. But actually, if I refresh, 0. No. 16, 17, 18, 19. Come to here. తీసుకోదు అదిగో అక్కడ చూసుకో టైం డిఫాల్ట్ ఏం తీసుకోదు అది. What is the meaning of 0 means? Now observe 24, 25, okay. Come here. 30 here requests, here 24 requests are there. What is the meant for 0 means? Once I close the browser, open it, if we can provide it there, then what will happen? Now, my default time చూపించింది అన్నావు కదా. Now I provided this one. What is the count? 1. 0 meant for until closing the browser, it is available. Once the browser closes, again 1. That is the meaning of 0. So until closing browser, it will be continued only. Once closes, it will be gone. That is the note. First one is this one. Second one, if you provided 0, the meaning is once we close the browser, automatically session will be expired. That is the meaning of 0. The next one. Previously, we did one application, profile application. Name, age, girlfriend, we have to submit it. No? Same thing by using session. In the temp cookies, I'm using all HTML pages, not the Django forms. Okay. Now, same example by using stop the server cd dot dot Django hyphen admin start project session project 6 py manage.py start app test app. They are the common activities. Settings.py make migrations and migrate. Next, one form is required. So views.py file. ఫామ్ కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఒక ఫామ్ కావాలి కదా. ఫస్ట్ forms.py. Go to here, session 6, open settings, test app. So inside test app, right click, new file, forms.py. Inside, from Django, import the forms. Now class, name form. Inside forms dot take normal form. Take a variable name equal to forms dot which field? Character field. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్. ఈ ఫామ్ I want to send it to end user by using the views. So view is the responsible to send this form. Okay. Create object to this name form class, dictionary, and send it. Go to the views. Function based. The view name is name view. The argument is request. Create object. What is the class name? Name form. Give reference variable. What it is? Form. Return. Render. The first argument is request. Test app slash name dot html comma dictionary. What is the key value? Form. What is the value? Form. But this class is available from where? Test app dot forms. Import. What is the class name? Name form. Done. Previous HTML form we are using. Now Django created object and forwarded. Now this HTML page is required. So take one HTML file. Now story same, right click, folder, templates, right click, again folder, test app, right click, file, name.html. Go to settings, create variable, template underscore dir, base dir slash templates. Template dir give to the dirs. Now go to here, HTML page. Instead I want to provided h1 tag, name, registration form. Take the form tag. Class view action not required. The method is post method. Curling brace. Form dot as underscore p. Present Django form compulsory. What is required? CSRF token is mandatory. Once enter the name, button is required. Type equal to submit. The value equal to submit the name. For this one URL is required. The URL is name views dot name view. For this from test app import views. Start the server. Py manage.py. Start the server. Server is ready. Address you have to change. The address is name. Name distance. Wow. ఏమైంది? ఎక్కడిచ్చాను? No. Name submit. Will goes to next page కి వెళ్ళాలి now. How to goes to next page? Action. Action బిగేసంగా. యాక్షన్ మెథడ్ వేయకండి, మెథడ్ గెట్ సరిపోద్ది ఇప్పుడు. దట్ ఈస్ ద HTML కోడ్. అప్పుడు రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ పోస్ట్, గెట్ అయితే రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ గెట్, యువర్ విష్. సేమ్ స్టోరీ రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్. ఇదిగోండి ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్, ఫార్మ్స్ డాట్ py, వ్యూ HTML. సేమ్ కంటిన్యూడ్ అగైన్ ప్రాసెస్. మళ్ళీ ఫార్మ్స్ డాట్ py, ఏజ్ ఫార్మ్. సో ఐ విల్ టెల్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏజ్ ఫార్మ్, నెక్స్ట్ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్, ఫైనల్ పేజ్ యూ కెన్ ట్రై. Next to forms. Again, go to the one more class. This time, what is the class name? Age form. What is the field? Teacher field. Bus. Views.py. Once in the views.py, how to write the code? Def age view. Argument request. How to get the request? Request dot. Is it a get a poster? Get. Because of we are not proud any attribute. Once a clicking on the submit button get request, the available data we are reading and stored into variable. How to set the session? Request dot session of key. What is the key? Name. What is the value? Name. Previous ga request dot set cookies. ఇప్పుడు request dot session create object. What is the class name? Age form. Object got created. Return render. First argument request. Test app slash age dot html comma. What can I pass? First form కావాలి కదా. Form. After that we can provided name. Name. Equal to age form. So name form I can provide it there. Now import statements. Where is the import? ఇవ్వండి ఇక్కడ comma. What is the form? Age form. This is the view. Star. All will come instead of that. ఈ పేజ్ కావాలి now. Declare age.html for this URL. Third also again forms GF form view HTML. Last results.html display all the data into your results. Response are set underscore cookie and cookie is already completed. Now we are in session management. Rakshit. ఎక్కడ age age So in the HTML page, take one page, right click, new file, age.html. Inside HTML, body, h1, hello, curling brace, name, comma, provide your age, form, action I will provide the URL, method is the get method. Instead I want to provide a curling brace, form dot as underscore p, curling brace, input type, value, submit the age for this one URL. Age. Updated this one into here name slash age. Now server is restarted. Now refresh, enter name, submit the age. Hmm? Hmm? అక్కడ ఎర్ర అది కాదు వాడు ఏమన్నాడు చూడు ఎర్ర చదువు జాగ్రత్తగా ఇదిగో దిస్ ఇస్ ద నేమ్ పేజ్ am I given action age or no? Once submit button goes to age, it is going to the URLs. Age view is there. It is executed this view and displayed which form age. అక్కడ మీరు ఎర్ర చదవండి నీట్గా నో సచ్ టేబుల్ Django సెషన్ మేక్ మైగ్రేషన్ చేయలేదనుకుంటా చేసాం చేయలేదా చేయలే సో సచ్ టేబుల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్ అది ప్రాబ్లం py manage.py make migrations because they are telling table is not there. Migrate. Now table created. Run the server. So that's why I'm telling every time make migration mandatory. That's why they're telling is one day. Django session table is not there where it is maintained. Now refresh. Hello Mahesh, provide your age. So name provided Sunny. Hello Sunny, provide your age. The next continuation you can try. Next girlfriend page same forms view HTML. Next last page results. In that you have to display your result. Adi you can complete it. Rasara, can I explain that one also? Hmm? Here not required name equal to name because it is the Django form. Internally HTML code generated always available there, not required. If you write your own HTML code, then only name equal to value required. Django forms cannot required because front end is the code, background code will be generated. Holidays. Tomorrow class is there. Wednesday onwards holidays. Tomorrow class is there. So Wednesday 9th onwards holidays, no classes. Next class is on 15th, Tuesday. This week enjoy. So tomorrow class, sir, next to the continuation, you can continue this one. I'm not executed, just I'm writing the code, okay. Forms.py. Just to, what we have to write forms.py? Class, whatever class is there. When I'm not executing, just I will write the code, I will give the Google Classroom, okay. Instead of age form, you can give girlfriend form. Give one variable. Field, character field. Done. Now what is required? Views.py. The views.py same code copy paste. Same. ఇందులో whatever changes are there. View name change. Yeah. Request of get of name. No. ఈసారి you have to take age. Now assign that one. How to assign? Request dot session dot. What is the key? Age key. What is the value? Age. Done, completed. Name I want to read. How to read the name? Request dot session of name. So whatever say session I provided name, that name I am reading and stored into variable. What is the variable? Name only. 127. Age. Age form equal to GF form you can create class. Now return render test app HTML page. What is the page? GF. Form name completed. That is the story. ఇప్పుడు one page required. What is the page? Girlfriend.html. In this gf.html same ఇది ఉంది కదా సేమ్ కోడ్ ఓన్లీ. హలో provide girlfriend name action as p submit girlfriend name completed. For this one URL final ga all the data display to the results.html file. That code you have to write. That implemented results view and results.html page that you can try. This is the code. So all the three I provided. Results you can try. Instead of input to type equal to submit can be used button submit. Yeah, anything okay, fine. So the story of today class, okay. Tomorrow we will see some same session. Go one more application we will see. After Dasra, I will go to some new concept, authentication and authorization. Oh, చేసుకోవచ్చు, no problem. కొత్త టాపిక్ ఆఫ్టర్ దసరా అథెంటికేషన్ ఆథరైజేషన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఆఫ్టర్ దసరా. Mhm.